Say goodbye to white picket fences. Say hello to palm trees and Benzes. They say you gotta fall, they have it all.
Grüß euch durch die naschitia und herzlich willkommen zum neuen Cover. Und zwar werde ich singen How Far I Go von dem Film Moana. Und zwar ist es ein Lower Key, und zwar in dem Style von Alessia, die das Lied ja offiziell ist, also offiziell ist es das Originallied von Alessia. Sie singt das für den Film Moana. Und ich werde dieses Lied jetzt mal singen, also probieren, also bitte, ich probiere es zu singen. Seid bitte nicht so kritisch und ja, ich wünsche euch viel Spaß. Staring at your water, long as I can remember, never really knowing why. I wish I could be a perfect daughter, but I come back to the water, no matter how hard I try. Every turn I take, every trail I track, every path I make, every move leads back to the place I know where I cannot go, where I long to be. See the line where the skies meet the sea, it cools me, and no one knows how far it goes. If the wind on my sail on the sea stays behind me, one day I know, if I go there's no telling how far I go. I know everybody on this island seems so happy on this island. Everything is by its own. I know everybody on this island has a roll on this island, so maybe we can roll with mine. I can lead with pride, I can make us strong, I'll be satisfied if I play along, but the voice inside sings a different song. What is wrong with me? See the light that sings at the sea, it's blinding, but no one knows how deep it goes. And it seems like it's calling to me, so come find me and let me know what's beyond night. Will I cross that line where the sky meets the sea? It calls me, and no one knows how far it goes. If the wind on my sail on the sea stays behind me, one day I know how far I go. Oh mein Gott, das fühlt sich gut an. Like a rush. Okay. Ich hoffe, es hat euch gefallen. Das war das Cover How Far I Go von dem Film Moana in dem Style von Alessia. Ich hoffe, es hat euch gefallen und ich wünsche euch einen schönen Morgen, Mittag und Abend und tschüss. Ich wünsche euch einen schönen Morgen, Mittag und Abend und tschüss. Ciao. Ade.